Hello dear student, today we will start the chapter number 12. The name of the chapter number 12 is Can We Share? Now today we will start the new topic. The name of our new topic name is example is based on the division and the multiplication fact. Now see one by one example you have to solve it. Start from the question number first. Write the two division fact for the each of the following multiplication fact. It means that your multiplications is are given to you. We have to solve the division fact. Okay. Now we start from the first one example. Is the first one example is what? Here will be 3 multiplied by 6 is equals to 18. 3 multiplied by 6 is equals to 18. It means we have to find out the division fact. How can we solve the division fact? It means that it will be 18. So simple division by 3 because 3 6 are 18 is equals to what? 6 is the first division fact. Now we have to write down the second one division fact. It means that it will be 18 simple division divided by 6. Here will be 6 3 are 18. Here is equals to what? 3. It means that here will be 18 divided by 3 is equals to 6 and 18 divided by 6 is equals to 3. This is a division fact. It means that write down the two division fact from the each of the following multiplication fact. Same start from the second one example. It will be 7 multiplied by 8 is equals to what? 56. Here will be 56 divided by 7 is equals to what? 8 because 7 8 ja 56. Same way it will be 56 divided by 8 because 8 7 ja 8 7 ja 56. Next third one example, it will be 9 multiplied by 7 is equals to 63. We have to write down the two division fact. First division fact, it means what? Here will be 63 simple division divided by 9. Here will be 9 7 ja 63. Here will be 9 7 ja 63. Okay, 63 divided by 9 is equals to 7. Next one, it will be 63 divided by 7 is equals to 9. Is a two division fact. Next one example, 8 multiplied by 5 is equals to 40. It means that we have to find out the two division fact for the given example. Here will be 8 multiplied by 5 is equals to 40. Okay, it means that we have to write down the 40 divided by 8 is equals to 5 is a one division fact, and the next one is what? 40 divided by 5 is equals to 8 is a second division fact. Next one example number 5. Here will be 6 multiplied by 5 is equals to 30. Same way we have to solve the 30 divided by 6 is equals to 5 and the 30 divided by 5 is equals to 6. This is the second division fact. Next we will solve the write the two multiplication fact from the each of the following example. It means that here will be two division fact division fact is are given to you. Same we have to solve the multiplication fact. Now see, listen here. Write the two multiplication fact for the each of the following division fact. For the first one example, here will be 21 divided by 7 because 7 3 ja 21. But we have to solve the two multiplication fact. It means that we have to multiply by it. Here will be 7 multiplied by 3 is equals to what? 21. Same, we have to solve the 3 multiplied by 7 is equals to what? 21 is the first one. Next, we have to solve the 42 divided by 6 is equals to what? 7 because 6 7 ja 42. Now we have to solve the two multiplication fact. It means that we have to write down the 6 multiplied by 7 is equals to what? 42. Same way we have to write down the 7 multiplied by 6 is equals to what? 42. For the third one example, Now see, listen here, here will be 32 simple division divided by 8 is equals to what? 4. Okay, because 8 4 are 32. Okay, now see, listen here, we have to write down the two multiplication fact of the given examples. This is for 8 multiplied by 4 is equals to 32 for the first one, and the next one is what? Here will be 4 multiplied by 8 is equals to 32 for the second one. Next example number 4th, 90 divided by 9 because you are at 10. Now we have to write down the two multiplication fact. How can we write it? Here will be 9 multiplied by 10 is equals to 90 definitely. Okay. Same way we have to solve the second one. This is our 10 multiplied by 9 is equals to 90. This is our second one. Now next one example, this is a fifth one example, this is a 48 divided by 6 is equals to what? 8. Now we have to write down the two division fact. How can we solve the division fact? Now see, listen here, here will be 6 multiplied by 8 is equals to 48, and the next one example will be 8 multiplied by 6 is equals to 42. Is a very so simple example. Regarding the example is based on the this is a multiplication and the division fact. It means that the question number 1 has here will be multiplication is are given to you. Okay, you will be write the two division fact for the following each of the following multiplication fact. It means that for the question number 1 as a multiplication fact is are given to you. Now we have to following the write down the two division fact. Okay, this is for the first one, and the next one question number second one has a very important thing, the write down the two multiplication fact for the each of the following division fact. It means that the two division fact is a division fact is are given to you, but we have to solve the multiplication fact. This all the concept regarding your multiplication fact and the division fact. Because this chapter has a can we share as two things very important, two concept is very important. It will be example is based on the multiplication and the division fact. This all the regarding the idea about the division and multiplication fact. Hope so everyone student understood the concept regarding the how can we find out the multiplication fact and the division fact. Because the multiplication is are given to you, then we have to find out the write down the two division fact, and reciprocal it means what? Here will be division is are given to you, we have to write down the multiplication rate. This all the idea about the multiplication and the division fact. And next topic we will start from the next obvious video, and have a nice day.